In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your YouTube link to your Instagram bio. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, go over to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, click on your profile or on the About You section. And then you can simply click on the View Channel option. Once you do that, you can then easily click on these three dots and then click on the share option and then copy link. And this will copy the link to your YouTube profile. What you need to do now is that you want to exit YouTube and go over to Instagram. Once in Instagram, go over to your profile and click on the edit profile option. Once you do that, click on the links option right over here and then click on the add external link. And then you can simply, under the URL, click on it and then long press and then paste the link. Once you do that, you can then give this link a title, something like once you have given this link a title, what you need to do now is that you want to press the OK button. And then you can return to your profile. And as you can see, your YouTube link will be right here. So there's the link to your YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.